Hey guys, this is a very interesting story. Every day I discover something. Every day I discover the vague and shallow knowledge of even us Africans about Somali people, right? Yesterday I met a friend from Ghana who were talking issues of politics, issues of jobs, issues of businesses in Sweden. Then suddenly I started telling him about politics because I was coming from a political meeting. So I told him that, look, in Sweden, the only people who make us proud are the Somalians. He said, why? I explained to him, I told him, go to the parliament, you'll find a Somali person there. So if you go to local government, you'll find Somali people there. Go to businesses, they even own travel agencies in Sweden. Go around Sweden, they own small businesses more than all Africans combined. He was shocked. So this is the reality. People, we undermine Somali people so much because of the narrative, because of what the society tells us, right? So if you are listening and you are from Africa, you should know that right here in Sweden, the Somali people make us proud. Can you imagine countries like Nigeria, like Ghana, like Uganda, like Kenya? They are not in the parliament, but a Somali person is there. Go to the local government, go to Venture Party, go to Social Democratina. You will find them there at the highest level. Okay? So you should understand that these are the guys who make us proud here because they have courage, determination, and community work. Tak.